Hello, good morning, Matt. I think we're the only ones here so far. Anyways, I have here MNQ 987 tick chart. I already hit my goal. Let me see here. So I'll be trading this in Sim, but I'm trading 5 contracts on MNQ. Again, trade how many contracts you want, but my targets are usually be the same with a number of contracts. Here's my trade performance. You can see here. August 5th, right? Yeah, there we are. I had some ES trades earlier today, which was actually like the ES trades. I think. Let me see here. My ES trades were only profitable net around $62.50. I made 450 on micros, so that's how big I've been with micros so far. You can see here, right there, I'm at 464. I'm done with that account. So again, my goal there is between 200, a minimum of 200. If I make that, I'm done. I've learned that's how I got funded my other account. Just take it nice and slow. And that's what you just need to do to get to really pass that funded account. You don't want to be risking a lot, not trying to hit home runs like I used to. But again, if it presents itself, especially on ES, but ES lately has been really strange. I mean, it just acts weird, and so that's why I decided to do M&Q, where it would, I can have a bigger, um, what's it called? A bigger risk. No, should I say bigger stop loss with less risk? Okay. Again, you don't have to be doing 5 contracts, but you can be doing anywhere from 2, even 1, 2. I'd say between a good one would be between 2 to 3. And if you can average there on $200 or even around $200, where you make $200, you're actually done for the day, and just do that in daily, and you'll eventually get your goal. It's also good for funded accounts. You don't want to be uh, in a hurry to get a payout. You want to make it consistent and grow your profit, right? Like right now, look at this. This looks like it's going to reverse it. It went to the -1 deviation. Most likely at this time it might reverse, and that's what it's going to probably do. So let me
Order canceled.
take that off.
Order filled.
So at this, usually this is the time where it usually gets
order submitted.
Going down to the -1 deviation. Most likely now it's going to get up here. So I can take
order filled.
There we are. Because once it hits this -1 deviation and starts going up like that, most likely it's going to try to hit the VWAP. And oops, let me move this up further if I can get it there. So right now my mouse is kind of frozen. Yeah, look at this. It's just giant. I took a pause. So you can just adjust it there for a while and see. So this fib would not work on this one. We're using the long-term one, the bigger one that's going down, right? So most likely you can get back to this retrace at least to 38.2, but most likely it will try to get to right around here, or even up here. So we'll see if that happens. If that's the case, again, at this level, that's be like $400 right here. If that hits there or close to it. Let me see if I can adjust this. 2250. That'd be a little over 50 points right there. So that'd be $100 each contract. So with that, that'd be 400 there. Now, if I want to make this to 272.25, this one, let's see how far this will go. Maybe another 100, maybe 100 points I'm looking at. Let me see this. If we can just move this, let me see. Again, most likely it's going to get to here, but just in case, it'd be 170, 272. Yeah, there. Right in the middle of the pullback zone. Like I said, it may get up to the just 38, but we shall see. I'm getting some slippage here. Again, I don't know if this is the speed from Lilu or is just the RT rhythmic, but sometimes the price on my trade manager is way different than what's on the chart. And sometimes you can't really gauge accurately where your price is. So basically it's based on the trade manager or the dome, not really the chart. You can't really go by the chart. That's why, yeah, see right now it's like down 6 points, but it's like this may go further down. Let's see. You can see it's trying to find its way back up. Nope, looks like it's going to fail. And now we're heading down. So let me just close this out.
Order canceled. Order filled.
So it didn't quite make it to up there, which was like which I was expecting. So then we have, let's see what's going to happen here. Maybe they'll bring it up now once I get out of the trade. So this is going up. This may be going up.
Order submitted. Order filled.
So that should, you know, uh, be good for the day if you're just started off trading like that. So you see where I started off here at 464, right? And that total now brings it up to, what is that, 679? Yeah. So I started off here. Now it's at 679 over 200. Again, I had good losses, but I came back with a 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this one right here, 300, 400, $500 trade on that one trade right there. And hits the VWAP and then just stops. Look at that, strong momentum, and then it just stops there. Now it's trying to determine it's going to come back down, and eventually get up to here. It may eventually get up to here, like I said. So if I'm going to do that, I might as well put another buy stop here.
Order submitted.
And see that's going to continue going up. And our stop would probably be somewhere here or even down here. Right here somewhere. But all fairness, this is I'm done for the day. Again, if I look at this, let me take out some. Again, that was on Sim because I already reached my goal on my other account. So
Order filled.
let's filter this out. So here, before we do that, let me just set this up here. So is it saying it's 5 points down, but the chart, it doesn't show that. Weird. If I'm going just to stop here, I would have to have it maybe around here. See how it did that? It took out, it teased you with a bull trap and then tries to bring you down. Again, depending on where your stop would be. I'll put it down here. And for me, if it gets even past this one, that'd be enough. Right here. You'd probably try to get to the mid band. Okay, so what was I saying? So now let's filter this out. Here we are. Let's do just Sim. How are we doing on Sim when it first started out? So basically that is it. That's it, 215. That met your goal for the day. I mean, you were down as much as 295. You came back and then up 215. I'd say I'm done if you were down this much before. Again, that was a $500 trade, that last trade. Not really that much of a, let me see here. It didn't quite get to the mid band. So yeah, we're looking around here, but definitely here another another $200 if it gets to here. It's taking its time to get up there. So I think that's it for the day. Just had to follow this the EMA, the 21 EMA, and I just recently just put the fill line, and it does it pretty well, which I'm surprised on the 987, especially on the MNQ. So here, 512. I would have had another if I did trade this on my live account, it would be total of, look at that, 976. Again, I'm not trying to hit home runs, but again, this was for this session here. That's pretty much done for the day. And I'll probably end it for this Friday.